Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken enchiladas with corn tortillas. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and warm tortillas to prevent cracking. I'll guide you through simple steps. Shred chicken, prepare a flavorful sauce, and roll enchiladas neatly. I'll share tips for corn tortillas, assembly tricks to avoid sogginess, and a fast-bake technique so your dinner comes out cheesy, saucy, and satisfying with minimal fuss. Start by making a simple enchilada sauce on the stovetop with tomato, chili powder, garlic, and chicken broth until slightly thickened. Toss shredded chicken with a couple tablespoons of the sauce and mix in some grated cheese so the filling stays moist. Season lightly with salt, cumin, and a squeeze of lime to lift the flavors. Keep the sauce warm and assemble quickly so tortillas remain pliable and easy to roll. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your kitchen to life with music, timers, and voice control, which makes multitasking while rolling enchiladas a breeze. It's compact, sounds great, and fits on a counter without taking up space. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Dip each warmed corn tortilla in the sauce for a few seconds to coat, and soften it before adding filling. Spoon shredded chicken mixture in the center, roll snugly, and arrange seam side down in a baking dish to maintain shape while baking. Pour remaining sauce over the rolls, sprinkle with cheese, and bake at 375 degrees F until bubbly and lightly browned. Let rest briefly before serving to set the sauce and ease slicing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.